Hello everybody, how you doing? Chef Edgar here from the Cooper Wellness Center. I just want to give you a little insight to what's been going on here at the Cooper Wellness Center for the past month. If you haven't heard, you've probably seen I've lost weight, 15 pounds and more. How did I do that? Very easy. Meal preps and juices. Why waste your time cooking every single day when you could get the meals here? They're ready to go, they're nutritious, and the juices are fantastic. That's my secret to losing weight. I do my walking, I do my running, but my meal preps, I get the vitamins I need the nutrition I need, and they fill me up. That's how I've been losing weight, quick. In 1 month, 15 pounds, they might say that's a little extreme, but my body was extreme. But now I've been losing 15 pounds and more, and I love it. Why? I've told my wife, I've even become a little bit more flexible. I could touch my toes now. Before, when I was eating all that junk food, all that fats, I wasn't very flexible. I had a hard time breathing. I had a hard time putting on my clothes. Now, I feel like brand new. I want you to try the same thing as well. Why? Because it's better for you. It's a very healthier life for you. And you gotta try it out. Come to the Cooper Wellness Center. You'll enjoy it. The juices are fantastic. They're fresh. They're made every day. You gotta come quick because everybody's coming and buying them. They're flying off the shelves. Our meals, they're made fresh. If you want them warm and hot, call us and we'll have it ready for you. But here at the Cooper Wellness Center, that's what we focus on. Lifestyle, changing everything, and using food as medicine. So I'll be here, Chef Edgar. We'll be here to answer any questions you have. I lost all this weight. I want you to lose it as well. Now I had to buy new clothes, and that's perfect with me. If I don't have to buy larger clothes, that's okay. I went from a extra large, I'm back to a medium, and I want you to do it as well.